Good YouTube, it's your boy X back today with another video, and today I want to talk about how to get approved for an apartment or a house with a CPN. Now this is not dealing with a mortgage. This is going through a rental company or a person who already owns the house and you just renting it from them. All they ask for is your credit, and once your credit is approved, then you good. So this is how you get approved for a penthouse, a multi-million-dollar house, whatever it may be. Before you even start building your CPN, I recommend building like 3 of them at the same time. So each one will have a different purpose. One for a car, one for a house, one for credit cards, and also just build a couple more just in case anything happens, you feel me? So if you want to get approved for an apartment, there's certain things that you need on your CPN for you to get approved. The best thing would be rental history. So that would be things like rental karma, payment report. But some of them shits is burning out, so y'all better get on that shit before it start burning out. Now payment report is green. I've been using that shit for like a year now. Whenever you make your payments, it takes about 2 weeks for that shit to report. So that's a quick trade line. It's about $50 to do, and it'll report up to 2 years of history on your trade line. Now, whenever you want to get a house or something like that, you need rental history. If you don't have that shit, you can still get approved, but it's going to be way easier if you have motherfucking rental history. So you get rental karma, you get payment report, or you get any installment account that gives you history. If you can get something that has backdated history like zombie debt, you green. Zombie debt is the best thing you can add onto your profile. If you have that shit, it's gonna mark off all the major things that you need, such as history and your credit limit access. If your zombie debt trade line has $25,000, I paid off auto, it's gonna report that you've been paying that shit off for 2 to 4 years, you haven't missed a payment, and everything's green. So that means that if you're trying to apply for a credit card, they're gonna give you a credit card between 10 to 25,000 since you already have 25,000 paid off. But if you don't have that shit, you just have like a normal one that's about 3 months old, you still can get approved, but it's gonna be for a lesser value. It's all up to you what you wanna do. If you wanna learn how to build CPNs, message me on Telegram. Join my group in the description. Once you get approved, bro, this shit green. All you have to do is either rent out your apartment. Now the best way to do it is by living free. You don't want to do this shit and still have to motherfucking pay $2,000, $3,000 a month. Now you can use credit cards to pay it off with another CPN, or you can get another house and rent that house out so you can live for free. You don't want to have to live and work. That's the whole point of this shit. We don't want to work. Motherfuckers having us work for 400 fucking years and that shit did not work. Why the fuck do you think we are still doing this shit now? Because niggas don't have knowledge on anything else besides work. And that's what they want you to think. Fuck that shit, I ain't doing it. I'm out. Fuck that shit. I said, I give it to my ancestors. Y'all worked hard as fuck, but that shit ain't work. That shit is not the way. I'm sorry, but that shit is not the way. Learn credit, learn how to sell something, learn how to offer something, learn how to offer a service to the world, and you will always be wealthy. I'm wealthy as fuck.